Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into Python, which is one of the most widely used and beginner friendly programming languages. We will explore its features, application, and syntax, and will understand why it's become the go-to language for many developers. Whether you are interested in web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python offers tools and libraries for virtually every domain. So, what is Python? Python is basically a high level, interpreted, and general purpose programming language, which was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is a it is actually interpreted language which is designed to be easy to read and write. Unlike compiled languages, Python code runs line by line, which aids debugging and testing. Its clean syntax mimics plain English, making it ideal for beginners. Python is also an open source and supported on all major platforms, including Windows and Linux. It's versatile and used across various fields such as web development, data science, automation, and education. So, next one is the key feature of Python. Python's popularity stems from its rich set of features. It's easy to learn and write, requiring fewer lines of code than many other languages. The standard library includes tools for file handling, web services, and more. Python is dynamically typed, meaning we don't have to declare the type of variables, which speeds up the development. It supports multiple programming paradigms like object-oriented, procedural, and functional. The community of Python is massive and vibrant, which offer a wealth of resources, libraries, and frameworks. These features make Python suitable for beginners while remaining powerful enough for developers in industry and academics. So, Python application. So Python is actually everywhere. In web development, frameworks like Django and Flask simplify backend work. In data science, libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn help to process and analyze large data sets. Python also powers automation scripts for tasks like file management or web scraping. It is used in game development through tools like Pygame and in software prototyping due to its rapid development capabilities. From startups to tech giants, Python is used for building scalable, maintainable software. Its adaptability makes it a top choice in domains ranging from artificial intelligence and robotics to cybersecurity and financial analysis. So, basic syntax in Python. Python's syntax is designed to be clean and easy to follow. One of its standout features is indentation. Unlike many languages that use curly braces or keywords, Python uses indentation to define the blocks of code. This enforces readability and avoids common syntax errors. Semicolon and braces are not required, keeping the code uncluttered. Functions are defined using the def keyword, and calling a function is as simple as writing its name with parentheses. The example shown here is created a function called greet, and now we are calling the functions with the name Alice, which is going to print hello Alice. Next one is variable and data types. In Python, variables are created by simply assigning a value with the equals sign. There is no need to declare the type of data. Python is actually automatically detects it, making the code concise. Common data types include integers, floats, string, booleans, and various structures of the data like lists, tuple, dictionaries, and sets, and frozen sets. These data structures are essential for organizing and manipulating data efficiently. For example, list allows to store multiple items in a single variable, and dictionaries help us to store data in the form of key and values. Python also supports typecasting when we are required. This approach to variable enhances flexibility and speeds the process of the development in Python. Next one is control structures. Control structures in Python helps us to manage the flow of execution. Conditional statement like if, elif, and else allows to make decisions based on the condition given. Loops like for and while let you to execute the blocks of code repeatedly. The for loop is commonly used to iterate over sequences, lists, or ranges, and the while loop runs as long as a condition is true. Python also supports keywords like break and continue to control loop behavior. These structures are essential for building logic into programs, enabling automation, repetition, and conditional operations that makes the code dynamic and responsive. Next one is functions and module. Functions are reusable blocks of code defined using the def keyword. They make the code modular, easy to read, and more efficient. You can pass data to function using parameters and return results using the return keyword. Modules are Python files containing functions and variables that can be reused across different programs. You can import built-in modules like math or create your own. This modularity is a key principle in software development, promoting code reuse and easier maintenance. Libraries and modules enable developers to build powerful applications without reinventing the wheel, streamlining the development process. Various libraries in Python, which are very popular. Python is actually have various libraries and a vast ecosystem of libraries in Python given. For numerical operation, NumPy is essential. Pandas excels in data analysis and manipulation. Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for plotting and visualizing the data. For machine learning, we have scikit-learn. And also for processing, encoding, and scaling, we can use scikit-learn libraries. And TensorFlow and PyTorch are basically used for deep learning models. So now we are concluding. To summarize, like Python is a versatile and user-friendly programming language with applications across many fields. Its clear syntax and dynamic type making it an excellent choice for beginners, while its rich libraries and frameworks make it suitable for professionals. From automating tasks to building machine learning models and web applications, Python does it all. Its strong community ensures continuous improvement and support. Thank you for your attention, and we are encourage you to start experimenting with Python today.